You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the Wicked Brain Fart channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in, because in this video we are going to take a close look at the 218-in-1 Genesis and Mega Drive. The names already said it, you can use this on both systems, doesn't matter what kind of region you are having. Of course, we're going to test out some games, but the most important, what are we going to get? It's a collection of 218 games, and with multi-game cards it's a little bit weird what are you going to get. Sometimes they're using like really horrible games on it, homebrew games, double games, cheating games. We've reviewed a lot of these weird multi-game cards. But therefore, I'm always love to test these things out, and what kind of games are we going to get? That is also very important. So this is not like the cheating multi-game cards that we have seen in the past, that they're basically using an EverDrive or a cheap EverDrive, slap an SD card in and saying we're having like a shitload of games or a shitload of a big collection. So the menu itself, it's something completely new. So MindKits released a lot of these, let's say, clone systems, but also like multi-game cards with a certain amount of stuff built in. But what I like about it, even now in the 16-bit era, because this is played on the original console, is that you're going to get a very nice preview. I love these minor touches they are doing. Another thing they created, that it has the option, it has seriously like an alphabetic order option. And that is something I don't see very often. Maybe in the previous videos I have seen a couple of multi-game cards. But the thing is with these multi-game cards, it's just such a freaking nightmare. Like they're having all kind of versions mixed up, and sometimes they're like using really horrible files on it. Especially when it comes to Street Fighter, if it's on it. But overall, the game collection is pretty decent, and something I must say you see very often nowadays. The days are gone that we're going to get like say 7-in-1, 10-in-1 with the horrible crappy games. Oh, I must say that don't get me wrong, they're still out there and they're still selling these tiny collections. I did want to pick it up, but in my opinion it doesn't make any sense. Another feature you see more often when you're getting yourself multi-game cards, that we're having a save option. But don't get confused with a quick load, quick save. It's more like the games that has like a save support. Think about the RPGs, those can be saved now. And that is something you need to take consideration. Not all of these multi-cards have it. The most expensive have these. And check the label or the description of the title of the auction. They most of the time say if it has a save function or not. Weird thing is like not all the Sonic games are on this. Sonic 3 and Knuckles is something you don't see very often, as maybe no, I think you don't see it very often on these devices. A little bit of a bummer if you ask me. So there is always a game that you will miss out. Alright, so a great example is Sonic the Hedgehog 3. With the original game I'm having, you can play this game and save, also with Sonic 3 and Knuckles. But first of all, there is no Sonic 3 and Knuckles on this, only Sonic 3, and the save function is just working like the original game. Super convenient if you have this multi-card with you in your Sega Nomad and you just want to play and save your state. It is possible. And that is, I think, is really cool. So nowadays they're improving these multi-cards. Like the minor things that annoys me, like we couldn't save in the past, it works now. But the weird thing is that they made the choice to give us like a weird, really weird Sonic 3 Hack Edition. And yep, so far I know there is not an original version out there. There is a way you can die, But you can see like you get almost infinite rings. So if you want to play the original games, you are going to be like bummed out like me, because they didn't add the normal version to it. So there are like the things I don't get, to be honest. It's kind of weird. Really weird. Alright guys, so the 218-in-1 is significant better than all the other versions I've reviewed in the last couple of years. And I'm talking about 112-1, 126-in-1. There are so many different versions now out there, but this one has some great features, including save function. I want to thank you for watching. Let me know what do you think of a multi-card like this. It would be great if you joined the Wicked Brain Fart channel. So subscribe, hit the little bell, stay up to date when I'm uploading another video and having a brain fart. And I will see you in the next video.